Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna show you how you can create the double exposure image in Photoshop. Let's begin. I'm gonna close this image and I'm gonna start from the beginning. Okay, first you need to open an image. My image is located here. First you need to open one image and make a duplicate of this image. My shortcut key is Ctrl plus J, or you can see the image layer here. You drag the layer and leave it on the plus icon here. Now you can see that I have another layer which is the copy of the background layer. Now you go in that background copy layer and change the opacity to 85%, and go to FX and select the blending option. From here you can see the channels RGB, which are the three primary colors. R stand for red, G stand for green, B stand for blue. So uncheck the green and blue color and press it OK. Now here select the move tool and move your image left side by using the keyboard left key. And as soon as I move my image, you can see there is just some double effect exposure is showing. Go back to the blending options again, blending options, and now this time change the exposure color. When I select the G and R, you can see the exposure there. If I uncheck the R, see the difference. And let's check the blue here. So R and G looks more better. So press it OK. And that's it. Thank you for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thank you.